Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make a balsamic rosemary turkey meatloaf. HelloFresh. There it is. I'm going to try it out. Never made it before. This is teaching me how to be a chef, so here we go. So we got yellow onions, rosemary, ground turkey, Yukon Gold potatoes, balsamic vinegar, sour cream, almonds, green beans, ketchup, chicken stock, panko breadcrumbs, and cloves.
Okay, Google.
We're gonna make
Stop.
baked potatoes instead. Into this little HelloFresh bag, loaded with goodies. Oh, there it is! Chicken broth. What is this? Rosemary, an onion, little breadcrumbs. Some little baby potatoes. Actually, they put the potatoes in the oven with the meatloaf. If you want. String beans.
What?
We got almonds.
Pork rinds instead of the breadcrumbs?
Ketchup. What?
You want to use pork rinds instead of the breadcrumbs?
Yeah, I'll use pork rinds. There's really not a lot of breadcrumb there, though. It's only a little. I don't think it's going to mean much on keto. I don't think this much breadcrumbs is going to do much on keto. You figure out like half this even. Nothing. Okay, prep. Let's just rack the top position. Preheat oven 450. Okay, 450. Start. Okay, we'll preheat. Wash and dry all produce. We got a new cutting board, by the way. Woohoo! I was gonna make it, but I don't have time. No time for that. It says to grate the onions. You have the grater?
Yes.
Okay, we got the new grater. Forgot we had this, but that's good deal, good deal. Grate on the largest holes of the box grater. There goes my eyes. Whew. That's enough to make a grown man cry. Whew. Oh man. I don't know about you guys, but I can't be doing that. Look at my eyes. Oh, sorry. Sorry for the French. Let's see. Peel and mince. Grate half the garlic. Keep the other half whole. Only half the garlic. So, I'm going to cut it in half. Just like they said. Whew. Oh, my eyes. What the hell? Strip the rosemary leaves from the stems and finally chop the leaves until you have 1 tablespoon. Looks like pine needles.
Are you doing that bear core?
Put my fingers nowhere near this. Are you kidding me? It tastes like Christmas. I mean, it smells like Christmas. Taste. It smells like Christmas.
It's rosemary.
Rosemary's. Oh, it's a lot of rosemary they want you to use. Hope it doesn't taste like Christmas. That's about a tablespoon of finely chopped. Trimmed green beans if necessary.
Is it necessary?
Okay. Got string beans. It looks like they're already trimmed pretty good. I don't have to trim them. Now number 2. Form 2 meatloafs. Alright, I gotta get a little pan. I gotta get a pan.
You want to make it evenly like?
I'm gonna make 2 little ones instead of 1 big one.
Why? You're supposed to make 1 big one? Why don't you listen to the camera?
I like mine nice and crusty all around. I like more crust.
You're crusty. What is that? Is it hot? What is that salt?
What?
Salt.
I don't know. Ketchup.
Ketchup?
whole bottle. Yeah. Put aluminum foil in the pan for easy cleanup later. Okay, what does it say to do? Alright, in a bowl with grated onion, add turkey, minced garlic, and chopped rosemary. In a bowl. Okay, we need a little bowl.
Is the oven on?
Yeah.
Don't forget to put on the oven thing.
You took my bag that was here?
It's right here.
I was using it for garbage.
I thought it was in the way.
It's my garbage bag right now. It doubles as a garbage bag. The Hello Fresh bag is used for trash while you're cooking. This turkey meatloaf is very sticky in here. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. The meatloaf in the bowl with grated onions. So all this onion is going in there. Grated onions, the minced garlic, the chopped rosemary, the panko stock concentrate. This must be it, the chicken stock. Balsamic vinegar. Okay, we're putting the stock concentrate in there. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And then season with pepper. That's a lot of salt. Give the big salt in there.
Yeah.
Get some salt. Teaspoon of salt. That's about right. Teaspoon. We'll use a plastic fork to mix this up. Mix it all together. Make our meatloaf mix. Seems like a lot of onions to me, but onions shrink when you cook them. That's what it's looking like. Meatloaf mix. You want to put your hands in this sticky mess. Form 2 1-inch tall loaves. Oh, see, they want you to make 2 loaves. That's what I'm saying. They say to grease the pan. Tip: wet hands first to prevent turkey mixture from sticking. Yeah, no crap. Place on one side of a lightly oiled baking sheet. Oil it with some spray. We'll lightly oil it. There you go. Lightly oiled. And form 2 meatloaves. It actually says to make 2.
Really?
Yeah. It shows it on the picture actually too. So I was correct with that assumption.
Oh, see, now you see one of those things.
I'm trying to be fair about it and make them nice and evenly sized. Alright, so we're going to put this vinegar that they give you just enough, 2 tablespoons, and these 2 ketchups. I'm going to mix it in here and then brush it on top of the meatloaves, as best we can anyway. The vinegar makes the ketchup very thin, I guess that's how we do it. Looks like we got to bake them for 15 minutes first, and then we put the string beans. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for, what did I say before? What did I say? 15 minutes? Bake on top rack 15 minutes. Okay, these are going in. That's what they look like before they go in. Get a good look at them. Okay. Oops. Okay, we're going to wait 15 minutes. And then I guess we throw the string beans in, so I'll be right back. The battery dead here?
You're really failing today.
Alright guys, it's a fail. I forgot to put the breadcrumb in the meatloaf.
Very important in the meatloaf.
Very, very important. I'm going to have to take it back out real quick.
Oh, no.
You know, this is what happens. What are you going to do?
It's going to be hot.
It's not hot. I just put it in.
Okay.
The problem is the ketchup and everything is going to be mixed in it now. But what are you going to do?
It's okay. When I make meatloaf, I put ketchup in it.
Okay, we're not going to edit this out. It is a screw up. I am new at this, and I didn't realize what panko was. So, the toppings that are on the meatloaves is now going to be mixed inside of them because I already put it on top. So, here's what happens. What are you going to do? Gotta have the breadcrumb in them. Lucky I saw that. Just put it in the oven.
You didn't see it hanging there? What nothing to do?
I just noticed it. I went, oops, what is this stuff? And we talked about these and the others. Let's try this again. Proportioned. Second time's a charm. I'll add some ketchup on top since I already put it in it. Back in. Okay, Google, set an alarm for 15 minutes. So the string beans go in afterwards with olive oil and salt and pepper. The garlic was for the mashed potatoes, so we're going to chop it up and use it with the string beans.
Eh?
These don't have any real special sauce for them, but...
This is my part of the thing. There you go.
Oh, battery's dying. But what is this? A drinky poo? Ooh. What's in there? Is that Honey Jack? And Coke?
Captain Morgan.
Captain Morgan. Captain Morgan and Coke. Gotta shut this off and put a new battery. Okay, the first 15 minutes is up. Now I'm throwing the string beans in. I'm gonna put some of the garlic that I had on there because we didn't make the mashed potatoes. We just baked them. And I just put a little olive oil on the string beans and salt and pepper. Back in for another 12 minutes. Okay. Okay, Google. Set an alarm for 12 minutes. That's the temperature of the oven. That's not the time. That messed me up a few times. I always thought that was the time and it was the temperature. Okay, we'll let that bake for 12 more minutes and I'll be right back for the plating. Alright, ready to take out. Let's see what she looks like. Looking good, looking good. Alright guys, we'll plate it up and we'll give it the taste test. Let me know what you think.
String beans are delicious.
I smell the rosemary. Pretty good. Heavy rosemary taste in it.
I smell it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. There's another Hello Fresh meal. That was the Balsamic Rosemary Turkey Meatloaf. So, we'll have to do another one soon. Again though, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. The onion killing me.
I know. I told you. You said, what you used to say to me?
What the hell? I talk like that?
Doesn't do anything to me. When you cut onions, like.
He's making fun of me. Mary's making fun of me, guys. The onions made you cry. Oh, poor little Al.
Wow.
Alfred. listen, don't get used to me cooking, alright?
I'm already used to it.
We won't make the meatloaf. We'll make it, just baked potatoes out of it because it's gonna take too long.
Meatloaf, you mean? You won't make the mashed potatoes?
I mean the mashed potatoes. We won't make the mashed potatoes. I cursed a few times on this video. This is not for children.
Told you. Now you're gonna have to go beep, 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 beep it out.
This freaking thing, this.
What is it?
Why don't they take it off the stem for you?
What is
Hello,
it?
Fresh.
What is it?
Rosemary.
Oh.
Take it off the stem.
Set it along for 15 minutes.
Put these over here. Then you gotta chop it up. What the hell? Are you kidding me?
Oh, now it's making my idea.
What?
Is that on the sink? You putting onions on it? I just washed it. It was hanging.
No, it wasn't hanging when I got up to it.
No, you flipped it off.
I'm gonna flip you off, alright. Fucking flip you off.
You're so stupid. I put it there. I hung it.
No, no, no!
You know where anything is in the kitchen. What kind of chef are you?
Chef of the future.
You tell me you cut your finger because you never opened aluminum foil in your whole life?
Alright guys, I'm back. Today's not my day. I forgot to put the almonds on top of the string beans. You're supposed to put it in after everything's cooked anyway, but still, I forgot. I already ate most of them. We're gonna throw them back on. You almost ate all yours too. So there it is. Ate most of the meatloaf already.
Oh my god.
And just realized, no almonds. Alright, that'll be in the bloopers. Because I know someone's going to
Don't say any comments.
hey, you forgot to put the almonds on top of the string beans. So I had to go and put them back on there. Anyway, it was a fail today. I'm sorry. Next time I'll do a little better.